Sales isn't just a job, it's a lifestyle, a mindset, and the lifeblood of any thriving business. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, mastering the art of sales can set you apart in any industry. It's the heart of any business. Without effective sales strategies, even the best products and services can fall flat. Sales drive growth, innovation, and success. Mike Weinberg's new Sales Simplified is your playbook to crushing it, especially if you're just starting out. This book breaks down complex sales concepts into easy-to-understand strategies that anyone can implement. This isn't about tricks, it's about building a solid foundation. Just like a bricklayer carefully constructs a wall, you need to build your sales skills step by step. Weinberg's message is clear: stop fearing sales, embrace it. Sales isn't something to be afraid of, it's an opportunity to connect, solve problems, and create value. This book gives you the tools and mindset to win. From prospecting to closing deals, you'll find practical advice and actionable tips to boost your confidence and performance. It's all about clarity, focus, and building real relationships. Clear goals and a focused approach can transform your sales process, making it more efficient and effective. This book is packed with real-world examples and stories. These anecdotes provide valuable insights and lessons that you can apply to your own sales journey. You'll learn from others' successes and avoid common pitfalls. By understanding what works and what doesn't, you can navigate the sales landscape more effectively. Weinberg keeps it real, making it relatable and actionable. His straightforward approach ensures that you can take immediate steps to improve your sales game. Many dread prospecting. Weinberg says it's about finding the prospects, not just any warm body. He teaches you how to identify your ideal customer. Then, you create a targeted approach. Think quality over quantity. No more blindly spamming emails. You're strategically connecting with people who genuinely need what you offer. This means understanding their pain points and offering solutions. Weinberg emphasizes a proactive approach. Don't wait for leads to magically appear. Go out and find them. This book gives you the confidence and strategies to do just that. Relationships are key in sales. Weinberg shows you how to build authentic connections. It's not about being a pushy salesperson. It's about being a trusted advisor. Listen more than you talk. Ask the right questions. Understand your prospects' needs and challenges. When you genuinely care, it shows. People buy from people they like and trust. This book provides practical communication tips. You'll learn how to craft compelling emails, make impactful phone calls, and lead engaging meetings. These skills are invaluable throughout your career. Before we continue, if you're enjoying the content, hit like and subscribe for more insightful summaries. You have a great product or service, but having a great product or service is just the beginning. The real challenge lies in how you communicate its value to potential customers. This is where mastering the sales story becomes crucial. Can you clearly articulate the value of what you're offering? It's not enough to just know your product inside and out. You need to be able to convey its benefits in a way that resonates with your audience. Weinberg helps you craft a clear and concise sales story. This involves understanding the core message you want to deliver and being able to present it in a compelling manner. This isn't about rambling on about features. Instead, focus on the benefits. What makes your product or service stand out? How does it improve the lives of your customers? How does your offering solve the prospect's problems? Identifying and addressing their pain points is key to making a strong connection. What results can they expect? Providing clear examples and testimonials can help build trust and credibility. Make it relatable and engaging. Use real-life scenarios and stories to illustrate your points. Use storytelling techniques to capture their attention. A well-told story can make your message more memorable and impactful. Weinberg provides frameworks and templates to structure your sales pitch. These tools can help you organize your thoughts and present them in a logical, persuasive manner. You'll learn how to tailor your message to different audiences and situations. Customizing your approach can make a significant difference in how your message is received. This ensures you're always communicating effectively. By mastering the sales story, you can turn potential interest into actual sales and build lasting relationships with your customers. Objections are part of the sales process. Don't fear them, embrace them. Weinberg teaches you how to handle objections with grace and confidence. First, you need to understand the root of the objection. Are they skeptical, price sensitive, not convinced of the value? Once you identify the real issue, you can address it effectively. This book provides proven strategies for overcoming common objections. You'll learn how to reframe the conversation, provide additional information, and ultimately move the sale forward. New sales. Simplified is all about taking action. It's about moving beyond planning and strategizing, and actually putting those plans into motion. This is where the rubber meets the road, and where your efforts start to pay off. Weinberg provides a clear roadmap, but you need to put in the work. It's not enough to just read the book. You have to implement the strategies he outlines. This means setting specific goals, creating action plans, and holding yourself accountable. Implement the strategies, track your progress, and don't be afraid to adjust along the way. Monitoring your progress is crucial. Use tools like sales dashboards and analytics to see what's working and what isn't. Be flexible and willing to pivot your approach if necessary. Closing deals is the ultimate goal. It's the culmination of all your hard work and effort. When you close a deal, it's a validation of your skills and strategies. It's a moment of triumph, but it's also a stepping stone to the next opportunity. Weinberg teaches you how to recognize buying signals and confidently ask for the business. Understanding your client's needs and knowing when to make your move is key. Confidence is crucial. Believe in your product and your ability to deliver value. Remember, a no today doesn't mean a no forever. Persistence is key in sales. Follow up with potential clients, stay in touch, and keep nurturing those relationships. Sometimes it takes multiple touch points before a prospect is ready to buy. This book is a valuable resource for any aspiring sales professional. It's not just about theory. It's packed with practical advice that you can apply immediately. The stories and examples make the concepts relatable and easy to understand. It's packed with practical advice, relatable stories, and actionable steps to help you unlock your sales potential. Whether you're new to sales or a seasoned pro, there's something in this book for you. It's a guide that you can refer to again and again. Now go out there and crush it. Take the lessons you've learned, apply them with confidence, and watch your sales soar. Success is within your reach, and with the right mindset and tools, you can achieve your goals. We reach the end, but before you leave, join our community of passionate readers by simply subscribing to our channel, where your love for knowledge and great stories truly matters.